Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting automotive content. If you love cars, speed, and power, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary names in muscle car history, making a roaring comeback, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. The Boss 429 is an icon, a name that sends shivers down the spine of muscle car enthusiasts. Originally built to dominate NASCAR, this beast was all about raw power and unmatched presence. Now, Ford has brought it back, blending classic muscle car aggression with modern engineering and cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Boss 429 packs a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine, pushing out an estimated 850 horsepower. This naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers brutal acceleration, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever produced. Ford has fine-tuned every aspect of this machine to ensure it not only delivers insane straight-line speed but also handles like a true performance car. The exterior design pays homage to the original, with wide fenders, an aggressive front grille, and an aerodynamic stance that screams power. Ford has incorporated lightweight carbon fiber elements to enhance performance and improve handling. The classic Boss 429 badging is proudly displayed, reminding everyone that this is no ordinary Mustang. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit designed for maximum performance. The 2025 Boss 429 features premium leather sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. The advanced infotainment system seamlessly integrates with modern technology, offering connectivity without compromising the car's raw muscle car feel. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Boss 429 is built to dominate. The advanced suspension system, high-performance brakes, and track-ready aerodynamics ensure that this Mustang is not just about brute force but also precision and control. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising the streets, the Boss 429 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Ford has also ensured that this muscle car of the future remains exclusive. With limited production numbers, getting your hands on one will be a challenge, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Each model is crafted with extreme attention to detail, ensuring that every Boss 429 carries the legacy forward with pride. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a tribute to the golden era of muscle cars, redefined for the modern age. With jaw-dropping power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology, it proves that the spirit of American muscle is alive and stronger than ever. If you're as excited about the return of the Boss 429 as we are, let us know in the comments. Would you take this beast to the track, or would it be your ultimate street machine? Make sure to subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more thrilling automotive content. Stay tuned, stay ready, and we'll see you in the next ride. This script delivers an engaging and powerful overview of the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 while keeping the energy high for your audience. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additions.